Hello dear doctors and students. Today we will learn BORAX. As you know, BORAX is one of those domestic remedies that has been used for local conditions as a soothing substance for a healing purpose in olden days. In nursing sore mouth of mother or child, BORAX has been used in the form of BORAX powder and honey as a wash. It is a fact that BORAX will rapidly heal up sore mouth. Its action also upon the nervous system is very marked. As we know, the patient is very sensitive to noises, almost any noise, as a cough, a sneeze, a rustling of newspaper, a cry or distant shot, etc. And we can see in our repertory 3 marks sensitive to noise BORAX. Belladonna is sometimes given for the starting at noises when BORAX would do much better. And we have a rubric starting from noises. BORAX is 3 mark. Also sensitive to noise with aphthous, BORAX is the only remedy given in repertory. Fear of falling from downward motion is very common conditions or indications of BORAX. Same we can see in a gelsemium and sanicula. The child cries out and clings to the nurse when she attempts to lay it down in the cradle. Carrying it downstairs has the same effect. It will scream and cling to the nurse as long as the downward motion continues. Adults get the same symptom. And we have a rubric fear of falling. Fear falling, child holds to the mother. Gelsemium is also 3 mark given. And then fear of falling in a downward stairs, also BORAX. There will not sit in a rocking chair or a ride on horseback or swing because of the dread of downward motions. So fear of downward motion, BORAX 3 marks. We have many rubrics: mind, anxiety, motion, aggravation downward, then mind, anxiety, motion, elevators of rocking, anxiety during rocking, also BORAX is 3 mark. There is only one other remedy having the symptom is gelsemium, and Dr. Nash said that this has only appeared in intermittent fever. A child may be sleeping quietly and awake suddenly screaming and holding on the sides of the cradle without an apparent cause for so doing, or it may start from sleep, clinging to the nurse as if frightened. So we have beautiful rubric given in a repertory: mind, clinging children, awake, terrified, knows no, near one. So BORAX and stramonium is there. In such cases, we might think of Apis mellifica, belladonna, senna, stramonium, but do not prescribe it only on one symptom. Look at the child's mouth, and if you should find an aphthous sore mouth, it will be settle its pity surely for BORAX. So mouth aphthous, BORAX is one of the best remedy. Now let us see the action upon the mucous membrane is very marked. Aphthous on the tongue, in the mouth, inside the cheek, or with the great heat and dryness of the mouth. We have a lot of rubrics, mouth aphthous. If you look in the repertory, the aphthous of the tongue, aphthous tongue painful, the tongue sensitive, they are all 3 mark BORAX remedies given. Not only the mucous membrane of the mouth is affected, but other one also. The eyelashes becomes gummy and sticks together or turn inward. The ear discharge, good remedy for otorrhea. Dry crust formation in the nose and reform if removed predominantly produces a white discharge, and the natrum cell produces yellow discharge from the nose, even the yellow is green. It cures where the genital and anus covered with this aphthous appearance. Greenish stool day and night with aphthous. The infant cries when urinating or before and showing an inflamed condition of the urethra. So the rubric bladder urination, urging to urinate painful, borax, lyco and sarsaparilla, all 3 marks. If the crying spells before urinating should be followed with the deposits of sand in the diaper or a vessel, lycopodium sarsaparilla will be also thorough. The mucous membranes of the respiratory organs also affected. There is cough and expectorations of an offensive order. Pleuritis in the chest. Borax has also white albuminous starchy leukorrhea, one of the most important remedy for leukorrhea, with a quite profuse and with the sensation of warm water running down. And we have rubric leukorrhea albuminous, even hot also. The borax is only remedy. Like chamomilla, hipparcel, silicea, borax has ulceration of the skin from slightest injury, which suppurates. So in brief, the aphthous condition and words from downward motion, the sensitiveness to noise, easily startled, anxious feelings, etc. are the most striking and characteristic feature of borax. Clinically, I use this remedy in aphthous, leukorrhea, nursing children, diarrhea and urinary problems in children. That's all regarding the borax. If you want to learn more remedies, then do subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my series of Materia Medica, Homeopathy A to Z on YouTube. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy and keep learning.